Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. Thank you for clicking this video. Thank you so much. If you're new, welcome here. My name is Wilmalene. I'm doing unboxing today, which is my order from the Gucci, which is the stocking. I call it stocking. Um, Before I pull this trigger to buy this one, I've actually been thinking about this since February when I went to Las Vegas, but I wasn't sure if it's worth it because I know stocking is really soft and could easily broke, but with the help of my friends in the Bagjat family, they told me that it lasts for a while, and some of them are saying one day wear and it's broken. So I did it anyway. So well, we're gonna find out today if it's worth it or not. I'm doing video every once a week, maybe sometimes Thursday or Friday. So if you want to stay and updated with my videos, please click the subscribe down there and also click the ring bell for notification for any video features I have. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram, it's down there as well. And of course, TikTok. I like TikTok, so please follow me there as well if you want to. So without further notice, let's start opening this one. So I received this beauty 2 days after my birthday, so it was late. It was supposed to be from my part of my birthday presents. And it comes with the box and bubbles. Look at that. So nice. So beautiful, and it comes with all the papers as well. And wow, Gucci are always everything they give us as well inside if you need it later. The wrap it really good. So here's the kind of perfume. Let me smell it. Actually, it's a Gucci Guilty. How to open this one? I don't know how to open this one. Oh, there's a sign over there. Sorry. And it should smell the perfume in it. Smell good. Here's the papers. They will give you a return papers if you are not happy with it, which is this one and this one. Here's the letter saying, thank you. We look forward for assisting you again at Gucci.com. Nice. And there is the bags. Really nice. Let's open it together. Da-da-da-da-da. Ooh, look at that. So fancy just for just a stocking. So here's the Gucci over there. You can see the stocking inside. Do I break it or not? I'll just break it. There you go. That's all about it. So let's put that aside as well. So here's the stocking. They have different kinds of color. They have the brown, white, black, and different kind of style as well. But I choose the yes. My husband just came into the bed, so I cut it off. So I've choose the black one, and I've choose the large size. They said about small is for petite. It's not about the size, it's actually about the length of your legs. So I'm a big girl, so I'm gonna go for a large, and there's no return for this once you open it. So either I lost the money or I'll go for it and just enjoy. So let's open it. So this is how it look like. Haven't seen properly. And this is the bag. Let's open it. Oh my god, oh, what is this? Gucci blah blah blah. I guess this is the sizing guide, and you got the tag Gucci. Oh my god, so beautiful. And they got a Gucci lining here, garter. Oh my god, looks nice. I'm just gonna show you a little bit. I'm gonna show you a video later of wearing it. Ah, so nice. I always wanted to wear this with a nice skirt during the winter, of course, or maybe autumn, because it's very cold here. Um, wear a sneakers or a nice high heel boots. So let's open it. Brand new smell. Yes. Anybody want to come in again? Ah, I'm doing the video here in my bedroom because my kids are noisy. So, ah, okay. So this is the large. Not bad. Think that will fit in my big belly. And the length, okay. See my legs. Oh, okay. It's a bit short in my legs. But I like it to be stretching a bit so I could see those GG. Oh, nice. Let me try it on here. I love it so much. I'm gonna wear it now, okay? Let me change. So I changed my clothes and I have to take out my jewelry so I don't scratch the stocking. And I'm gonna wear it now. So where's the front? Okay, that's the back, that's the front. Doesn't matter. Let's try it. So that's it. I just tried to show you the video how it looked like on you or me, and it's really hot. I just realized the heater is on, so it's really hot inside the room. So I would say this stocking is really good. I love it. It's the same like I'm wearing a stocking for 3 to 4 pound, and it breaks for 1, 2, 3 wear. And I know it's a bit expensive, but I really love it, and I'm gonna wear it as much as I can. I'm gonna take care of it as much as I can. So if you think, I have a friend that I really love. She love stocking, and I might buy her a stocking so I could have a tweenie when we're going out. So yeah, that's it for the video today. So if you have any thought or question about this stocking, please let me know. I am a size 16, so I'm go for a large size. So I hope that's helped a little bit. Whew, it's really hot. Question, and thank you so much for watching all the way down here, and I hope you like it. And so that's it. I'm done. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again for my next video. I love you. Stay safe, guys. Bye bye.